Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today with a seated cat-cow stretch. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue coordinating this movement with your breath. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, stretching through your back body. Release and return to center. Draw your right knee in towards your chest. Place your right outer ankle over your left thigh, keeping your right foot lightly flexed and in line with your right knee. Continue sitting upright, relaxing your right thigh open, or to increase this stretch, clasp your hands beneath your chair and lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, folding forward from your hip creases, feeling a gentle stretch through your right outer hip. Slowly lift your torso to upright. Keep your right foot where it is, adding a twist. Use your left hand to gently draw your right leg in closer. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, placing your right hand behind you for support. Slowly unwind and repeat this sequence on the opposite side. Place your left outer ankle over your right thigh, keeping your left foot lightly flexed and in line with your left knee. Continue sitting upright, relaxing your left thigh open, or to increase this stretch, clasp your hands beneath your chair and lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, holding forward from your hip creases, feeling a gentle stretch through your left outer hip. Lift your torso to upright. Keep your left foot where it is, adding a twist. Use your right hand to draw your left leg in closer. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, placing your left hand behind you for support, allowing this twisting action to re-energize and nourish your spine. Slowly unwind and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.